Hi, welcome again. My name is Rosa Dekome Madudu. Today I'm here to talk about the really topic which concerns me, the issues of music ownership and the meaning of 3 types of contract agreements. It is important that music artists or up and coming musicians know about this contract so that you protect your works from recording labels and producers. So let's get straight into it. Sign a contract with the recording company or the producer, sometimes it means you are signing your rights away, your ownership to that company or to that producer. It's important that you know what kind of contract you want to sign with the company label or the producer. So today I'm here to help you understand 3 crucial contracts. There's so many contracts out there, but the 3 crucial ones, I think they are very important for you to be able to know which contract you need to sign with the producer or the recording company. So today I'm here to talk about 3 agreements which are crucial contract agreements music artists should be aware of. So it's very, very important because last time I talked about copyright infringements, but today I think it's important that I talk about the type of contracts you should be signing so that you don't give away your own rights. The first contract, the basic first contract, which is important for you to know, it's called Work Made for Hire Agreement. So what this contract does, if you sign the contract with the producer or the recording company, basically what you're doing, you're protecting all your works, all your music, including whatever any other hidden clause are there. But that contract, I think it's very, very crucial for you to understand. It's a basic contract, but this is the type of contract which most musicians and upcoming artists should be signing. It protects your work. Work made for hire contract. It guarantees you that you don't accidentally abdicate all your music without you knowing. So it is a very crucial contract, and you always need to know about that one. So that is the contract which I would advise many artists or upcoming musicians to sign. If you don't know whether that is the type of contract, go and seek legal advice to entertainment solicitor, lawyer, or attorney, and they will always advise you that, okay, this contract protect your works. The second type of contract is music collaboration contract. Now that is different now. You might agree with the producer that, okay, you collaborate together and he gets 50% of the copyrights, you get 50% of the copyrights. But you don't have to. What you need to know, you don't have to sign that contract. You can turn around and produce and say, no, this is my work and I want everything. You want all the rights, basically, of your works. Sorry. Or you can agree, the producer might come with some bits of lyrics and help there and there. And if you agree to that, then that's fine. At least you know what you're signing yourself into. You're not just going into the contract blindly. No, you know we're collaborating, it's 50-50. But you still don't have to. You can work with the producer and say, I pay you this is my work, and it's all done. So, as I say, that is contract number 2, music collaboration contract agreement. It's all about agreeing with the producer. He can advise in certain ways, he can put some lyrics or you can put some lyrics, so you collaborate. So you all have the ownership of the music. I'm sure I'm making myself clear here. Again, if you don't understand the legal terms of the contract, I always advise go and seek legal advice. If the entertainment solicitor, lawyer, attorney, they're expensive. In other countries, you've got different boards. In Zimbabwe, you've got what is called Zimura. You can always go there and get some advice whether the contract you've signed it's good enough for you. So I'll go to contract number 3. Okay, the contract number 3, it works this way. It's called side artist agreement. It's an extra contract which the artist you can sign on the side. You can have a split agree contract, side artist agreement contract, which this is a side contract on top of your other contract, which says the lyrics are your works. You own the lyrics as well. It is very, very important that you have also that side contract, that it might help you in future. If somebody wants to argue about the lyrics, you can always show that contract that the lyrics are yours. This is the side contract you've signed. So there are so many contracts under entertainment music industry, but I wanted to talk about just the 3 main contracts, which are very crucial because majority of them it's too much to get into. Maybe in future I might touch there and there, I might be touching some of the contracts, but I just wanted you to be familiar with these 3 types of contract. They sound basic, but they are crucial, because I think what happens with a lot of musicians, they are not aware of what kind of contract they're just signing. They just sign, and later on down the line they realize, boy, I've just signed, I signed a wrong contract. But it's too late because your signature, it's already there. So you never win at the High Court, any courts, because you agreed and your signature says you agreed to those terms and conditions. Now, I need to touch again upon music collaboration agreement. That one, it's based on agreed percentage, agreed shared percentages. And with that one as well, you need to be careful what percentage you are giving the producer. Agree on percentages, because it's all down to you as an artist what percentages. Normally, it's usually between 10 to 25%. So it all depends on you, the artist, and the producer, whether you agree to that kind of a percentage. That is one thing I needed to touch upon, the music collaboration. So don't get caught up with these contracts, like you get excited and you get caught up, you don't read. I think I've mentioned it before. Just seek legal advice. So these 3 main contracts I've talked about, you need to be really, really aware of them and make sure you understand. It's not a long video, but I wanted to touch on these types of contracts so that you are familiar. You don't get things wrong, or you don't sign your works away. If you don't understand about the contract, again, as I say, go to Zimura if it's in Zimbabwe. Then you can always seek advice on whether that contract protects you or whether it doesn't. Because as I say, it's easy to make mistakes, to sign your works away without you realizing. If you have any questions or comment about what I've talked about, the types of agreements, please leave comments below, and I'm quite happy to get back to you, or you need to ask any questions. If you have experienced similar problems, because to tell you the truth, you're not the only artist who've been caught up. Artists like Taylor Swift have been caught up before with this kind of contracts. Nas, these big artists in America, they've been caught up with this kind of contracts. Don't feel embarrassed. It's not only you who've been caught up, but you can always learn from your mistake, and in future not to sign the contract which you don't understand the legal terms of the contract. So I hope the information I've given you today helps you, and thank you for my viewers for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you on my next video, and bye bye.